Up, guys? Good morning. This is Captain E3A with the second aircraft review for 2017. This time, British Airways Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner in the 1/200 scale by Skymarks. This aircraft was first revealed to British Airways back in 2013. The first inaugural flight of the aircraft was about a couple of months after that in June of 2013. British Airways is a member of Oneworld, which is 20 airliners. That is both American Airlines, Finnair, Qantas, Qatar Airways, Cathay Pacific. And I'm going to give you a tour of the aircraft right now, starting with the cockpit and the cockpit windshield wipers. The L1 door. The British Airways livery, seen right there, and powered by two Rolls-Royce turbofan engines come along the leading edges of the wings. Very lovely by Skymarks. And the registration of this aircraft is GB-ORN. Or Golf Bravo Oscar Romeo November, which is the registration of this aircraft right here. The Union Jack. And I'll take you to the APU, the auxiliary power unit, and the horizontal stabilizers that has the lights as the aircraft is in flight. And over to the tail of the aircraft, Boeing 787. The registration. There's one of the cargo container doors. Come along the wings. The second Rolls-Royce turbofan engine, the British Airways livery along the starboard side of the aircraft, and that's it. British Airways had replaced their Boeing 767s with the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, as seen here. I'll give you a bird's eye view of the 787. Very nice view of the aircraft, seen from this angle right here, and seen from this angle as well. British Airways has numerous destinations throughout the world, and from their primary hub at London Heathrow, New York John F. Kennedy International Airport in Queens, New York, Newark Liberty International Airport in Newark, New Jersey, Miami International Airport, Miami, Florida, Chicago O'Hare in Chicago, Illinois, Houston George H. Bush Intercontinental Airport, Las Vegas McCarran, Los Angeles International Airport, San Francisco International Airport, Vancouver International Airport, and British Vancouver, Columbia, Canada, and Toronto Lester Pearson International Airport in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. So, to give you a little background information about British Airways, British Airways was originally started in 1933, but they would later merge with two other airliners, British Overseas Airways Corporation and BEA, in 1973. And today, British Airways is one of the world's largest airliners, according to Skytrax magazine, and is rated the third most popular airliner according to Skytrax. So that's it for this aircraft review, and I would like to say thank you very much for watching this video. And if you like this video and my other videos, check me out on YouTube and like, comment, subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you around.